Yo, it's your boy Steven Alvarado, aka Peter Parker, aka Spider-Man. Now this is the Geko Skin Dry Adhesive research demo. So let me, before we begin, I want to explain how geckos work. So usually they're able to stick on walls because of two main factors. The main one that a lot of research is focused on was something called CETA, which are basically microscopic hairs that are super small and allows them to develop van der Waals forces, which are very weak electron bonding forces allow them to climb on stuff. Imagine how spiders and geckos are able to climb on things. The main important factor, of course, is their muscles. Not muscles, they're muscles. If you look at this really strong right here, they actually are using their muscles to help reinforce those microscopic hairs in order to keep in climbing things and stuff like that. So as you remember from our last video, this was our old method, which is, as you can see, very sucky and doesn't work no more. The reason why was because, unfortunately, any dust, hair, or even skin particles can fall into these microscopic hairs and unfortunately loses all its sticking power. And I'm like, that's not Spider-Man, what the hell? So then I ended up coming with a new one because, like I said, these muscles, very important, very strong, and yeah. So basically what we do is we essentially create a very uniform surface. As you can see right here, it's very dirty, don't worry about it though. It's a very smooth surface, and this smooth surface acts as a sort of really strong surface contact area to most forces, or most surfaces, specifically smooth surfaces, unfortunately. However, what's more important is actually this carbon fiber backing. This carbon fiber backing acts like a sort of muscle similar to those geckos, helps to reinforce all of the forces trying to push down this contact pad. And as it's doing that and it redistributes all those forces, it allows for a stronger sticking power. So as you can see, I mean, it's right here, it's staying pretty strong. And then you got this larger one, this one's also pretty strong. And then you have this huge one, also really strong. Unfortunately, as I said before, there is some small limitation, which of course is that the carbon fiber losing a bit of its it starts to fray on the very ends. As you can see, this one starts losing a lot of its carbon fiber muscle backing, and obviously if you push too hard, it just falls off. But that's a word for another day. What's more important is, of course, this surface contact area that as you scale up, the more weight it can hold. And you know what else it can do? It can make this giant monstrosity right here strong enough to hold human weight. And so this is my Geko Skin Dry Adhesive demo, otherwise known as the Spider-Man demo. So I'm going to hang myself off this wall, as you can see right here. And there you go. I mean, I can do it one more time just to show it off, but see, and there it is. It's still on there. So yeah, that is the Geko Skin Dry Adhesive demo. And so for the future of this demonstration, hopefully one day we can make this large behemoth monstrosity into a fully functioning, working Spider-Man suit. And that way one day, we can have Spider-Man crawling around, web slinging around these hallways. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching again.